Hello and welcome to the channel. Today on Gluten-Free Aussie Vegan, we are going to make a 3-ingredient peach cobbler. Yes, you heard right, 3 ingredients, and that'll be done in the slow cooker. So the first thing you'll need is 2 tins of peach slices in their juice, or if you happen to have gotten a bigger one, a big double one will do, but these are about 400 grams each, or else about 800 grams. So what you'll do is put that in the bottom of the slow cooker. Just give it a little look-see. And then you will find yourself a gluten-free vegan cake mix. Now this is the one I have picked. And then you'll just get the cake mixture out of it and just pour that over the top of the peach slices. I might just see if I can move that a little closer. And then our final thing to add is about 100 grams of vegan butter. I just use Nutty Lex, and we'll just do that in dobs over the top. Then all you need to do is put your lid on, and then can either slow cook this or do it fast. If you're going to do it fast, you'll put it onto the high heat for about 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours I believe. But if you want to do it slow, then do it on low, and it'll probably take about 5 or 6 hours. If I'm honest, I've never done this before. I've just seen the recipe, so I'm trying this for the first time. But we'll come back to this in a few hours time and I'll show you how it's bubbling along. Alrighty, so it's now been cooking for around 3 hours on low, so let's have a little sneak peek. Oh, check it out. See, it's all become cakey already. Now, I'm still putting on my dinner, so I'm going to let that go for another hour, but yeah, that's looking like it's pretty close. 3 hours on low.